Game of Thrones, Kingsroad players, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing that this app is available only for your other device's error, don't worry, you are not alone. Many Android and iOS users are getting this issue while installing or launching the game in 2026. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to fix Game of Thrones, Kingsroad error, including compatibility issues, region restrictions, and Play Store problems so you can get back into the game without any hassle. Make sure to watch till the end for the full working solution. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Open Play Store App Store. Search the game. If it shows not compatible, your device does not meet requirements. Step 2. Update your device system. Go to Settings. Tap Software Update. Download and install latest update. Restart your phone. Step 3. Clear Play Store App Cache Android. Go to Settings. Open Apps. Tap Google Play Store. Tap Storage. Click Clear Cache Clear Data. Step 4. Change Google Account Region, Android. Open Play Store. Go to Profile. Settings General Account and Device Preferences. Check Country Region. Step 5. Use correct device important. This error often appears if game is not supported in your region. Game is for high-end devices only. Try another supported device if possible. Step 6. Reinstall Play Store updates. Settings Apps Play Store. Tap Uninstall Updates. Restart phone. Open Play Store again. Step 7. Wait for official release. Sometimes game is early access only, not fully released in your country. So guys, that's how you can easily fix that. This app is available only for your other device's error in Game of Thrones. Kingsroad step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you still face any issue. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. Keep gaming, stay updated, and I'll see you in the next video with another working fix guide. Thanks for watching.